What's up guys, it's your boy LeoJX back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how quick I can solve this here cube. And before we start, I really want you to go down and find the subscribe button, and please like this video if you like how I do these here cubes, because I learned this yesterday. I learned how to solve this cube yesterday, so who knows how quick I'll get it. My score to beat right now is 2 minutes 50 seconds. That's the quickest I've solved this cube, and I actually solve it. It's not like algorithms. It's literally straight up solving. So let's get into the video. So let's find our white. And 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Yeah.
You know, like that.
What's up, sorry? I said he did the choreography, the musical rides, all of us.
Oh. Red here, so there's red right at the green bit, right there, and then yellow right on top. Yellow.
And there we go, we have our white cross solved. Now we have to move on to white corners. So red, green, so that needs to move somewhere else.
You can't just like take it.
So red and green, so it has to go over here. There. So now we use orange and blue.
I'm gonna wish you guys a Merry Christmas to all of you, because remember, today Santa's coming, presents tomorrow.
There you go.
So hopefully you
So
get
blue, red, so
and
that's in the right spot.
I
Let's
will
do my fun moves.
Goodbye. Well, I might do a video today again.
So there. Now we need to do. So now we need to have this one, this corner over here. That needs to go in the right spot. So let's get it into that spot. Okay. So that's my first layer done. So now we need to find some pieces on the yellow side that do not have yellow on it. So let's just do all this crap. There we go. So there. Almost have my second layer done, almost. So here we go. So now we have this. It looks pretty solved already. Okay, so that's my second layer finished. Now we need to get the yellow cross, which is a little bit tricky, but it's okay. Okay, yellow cross. Okay, that's good. Now all of those match. Right, corners. So orange, green do not. Blue, red do not. Blue and orange do. Green and red do not. Okay, so let's go to this corner. There. There. Yeah, all of these are good. Here we go, we're solving it. Right there. One more. Boom. Solved. Literally solved. That was not clickbait. That was actual solved. So if you enjoyed this video on this Rubik's Cube, I actually bought this one off of like Amazon or eBay. Go and check it out. They sell really good ones of these original Rubik's Cubes. So I hope you enjoyed this Rubik's Cube in video. and I will see you in our next video. Bye.